Alrighty, getting ready to head down, clear some brush, mark out the area for the cabin, check out the old farmhouse, and get a few other things set up. So we will see you in a little while down on the property and see what we can come up with. Yes, we're all going. Alright, so we got lots of weeds we have to cut down. Get things knocked down out of here. I had somebody scheduled to come down, but they canceled on me. Get it cut, so we're going to do it the old-fashioned way with a weed eater, machete, hatchet, and we're going to start on it. But this is what we got. This is where we get started. The spot we're putting our cabin is right here, so this is where we're getting started and working our way towards the road. I'll show you more as we get going. I believe that's enough for one day. Didn't get really much help, but we got it. That's what you got to do when people cancel on you and you can't get a brush hog in. You got to do it yourself. I think with the amount of money I spent on the weed eater and the gas, I think I saved myself quite a bit of money. That's what you got to do. Okay, this is a 12 by 38 shed that we have found on a repo. Half the cost of having one built or me building one myself. Go through these photos and take a look at the inside and the outside. And there's a couple photos of some other ones that we have found. If you guys are interested in these, stop by, take a look at some. They're pretty cool. You can convert them over pretty easy. And if you look for the repos, you get them for half the cost. With all the upgrades, all you're going to have to do is add your electric, your insulation, and whatever you're going to put on the walls and floors. But take a look at the photos that we have and enjoy, and we shall talk at you soon. Thanks for watching. Bye. I'm dirty. Look at me. That's what happens when you got to do shit like this and you ain't got nobody to help you.